Hi guys, so we're here today in the west side of Saskatoon and we're finishing off a 5.5 kilowatt solar install. You can see behind me here, we're just putting on the last panel. This is a 12 panel system, 460 watt panels we're putting up. We got 8 on the south side and 4 on the west side. So a very nice system. As a steep roof for this one, it was an 812 pitch, but we got it done. We were using APS inverters, microinverters, worked out really nice. And wanted to give you guys a quick sneak peek. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked it, please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you very much.